In case people are wondering why did we invite the national president of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines to the program, it is because we caught in the news that the Supreme Court has disbarred lawyer Berteni Causing, the spokesperson of the Percy Lapid Mabasa's family over a draft plunder complaint that he posted on Facebook 2019. In that issue, the lawyer, Atty. Causing, used as his defense freedom of expression. From what I gathered, the IBP was not moving for disbarment, but merely a suspension. So, Attorney Estrada, what happened in this case ba?
Yes, Sir Sito. In this case po, our investigating commissioner who investigated the case and the complaint against the respondent found that the respondent has violated our canon of ethics, but recommended a penalty of 6 months po. Upon review po and based on our procedure, the Board of Governors of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines agreed with the investigating commissioner that the respondent has been found liable for ministry has violated our canon of ethics, but recommended to the court that instead of a suspension that he be reprimanded. But of course, ultimately, it is the Supreme Court that decides these administrative cases because the Integrated Bar of the Philippines is merely it's investigating and recommending arm in regard to lawyer discipline. Mm-hmm. And the Supreme Court, upon review and reviewing a recommendation, agreed that indeed the respondent has been found liable of violating our canon of ethics and meted the respondent the penalty of disbarment, finding that he has been found already been liable and meted a penalty of suspension previously, and so he is a repeat violator, and that aggravated his case, which justified the penalty of disbarment in this instance po.
Okay, he is a repeat offender of the same offense, or is it of another case?
Based on the case po and based on record, the respondent was previously sanctioned with a 1-year suspension from the practice of law for also having divulged the sensitive matters in social media in a different case po. The court previously warned him that a repeat of a similar infraction will be meted with a more severe penalty. And that po, I believe, brought the court to impose a more graver penalty of disbarment.
For lawyers who are watching, is there, may forgiveness ba sa Supreme Court? Kumbaga, will Causing ever get a chance to show remorse, show etc.? Kasi he was disbarred based on a complaint of someone, si Miss Lau yata or something. Now, kung magbago yung tao, will he get a chance to practice law again? Is there forgiveness in the Supreme Court?
Yes po. Those lawyers that have been disbarred were allowed to file a petition for reinstatement to the role of attorneys. But in this, I think in the new code po, the court has announced that those that have been disbarred can file their petition to be reinstated to the role of attorneys after 5 years from the moment that they are disbarred. So there is still a chance po, and the court will be looking into, as you mentioned, was the respondent remorseful? Has he changed his ways, and has he become a positive member of community? All those things po. But he has to wait, I believe, for at least 5 years before petitioning the court for reinstatement. But yes, there is forgiveness po.